Let's poke our friends on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to poke our friends on Facebook. You might think the poking trend has been long gone, but the feature still exists on Facebook. So let's learn how to do it. First, open the Facebook app. Then go to search icon on the top right of the screen. After that, search for pokes. The first result that come up on the screen, click on that. Here you can see your Facebook friend list whom you can poke. You can see a whole friend list in this page. This is my new account, so I don't have that many friends. To poke, just click the poke button right beside their name. Now you have successfully poked your friend. This is it for the video. Hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.